Now our topic is array of objects. Okay, so first of all, what is array? Now, array is a set of similar data members or data types. Okay, data types of similar data types of data members. Okay, so this is called as array. Now, what happen if I declare the array with object? First of all, what is array and what is object? So array is a set of a similar type of data types of members. Okay, and what is object? So object is a just entity of any class which is used for accessing the data members or the member function from the class. Okay, so if I merge the array and the object, that is array of object means set of objects. Okay, so if I merge these two concepts, so what happen exactly means what we create the similar types of object of the class which is used for accessing the data members and the member functions of a class. So object can be element of an array. Okay, now I have the rectangle class and I declare the object room is this is a array type and it is having the 8 element of memories. Okay, so means that array is having the 8 elements. Okay, so this is a just an example of how we creating the array of objects. So syntax is class name and object of array type. Okay, so default constructor for object is used when the array is defined. Means what? When we declare the set of array like that time default constructor is automatically called. In the previous lecture we already discussed what is constructor. Okay, in any class there is having the single default constructor as well as single defined destructors. Okay, so array of object is called when there is a when we create the array of object, that time they call the constructor, that is a default constructor. Okay, now array of object must be initializer list to invoke the constructor that takes the argument. Means I have the three element of an object of array. So how we declare? If I having the rectangle class and a, there is r array of 3, this is my object of array, and how we declare is equal to, that is this is my parameterized constructor call, that is a rectangle 2.1 3.2, rectangle 4.1 9.9, and rectangle 11.2 31.4. So this is just declaration and calling the parameterized constructor. It means when we declare the array of objects, so that time we can be call the multiple parameterized constructor at the same time. Okay, so that is the advantages of array of an object. How we accessing the object of an array? So object is an array are referenced using the subscript. It means if we are creating some single type of a object, that is a without using array, so that time we use the object then dot operator and the function name and semicolon. So this is just a normal calling function, but with the help of array we can be used, that is a object of array, then which element you want to use for accessing the calling the member function, so that is our array, then element 1 dot set width, means this is set width is a member function. So with the help of array object we can be call the set width function. Okay, and if I want to write the function, or with the help of cout statement we call this function as, there is a cout, then insertion operator, then our array of 1 dot member function, that is get area is my member function, and then semicolon. So this is just a general syntax of accessing the array of an object in your class. Okay.